Hello and welcome back to 605 Sports Cards. Devin here. And don't know if we made a big mistake or not. From what I've seen, these have been very tough boxes to rip and pull a whole lot out of. But we got one here. Only 5 cards in this box, so it's going to be a short video. Then behind me here, went to the local card show this week, set up a booth. Did some trading. I traded my downtown Eli Manning for this 1/1 Kirk Cousins and Amon-Ra St. Brown RPA patch auto card there. Kind of wanted to hang on to the Amon-Ra, but someone offered me a good price for it, so I ended up selling it right away. Probably 10 minutes after I traded for it, and still hanging on to this Kirk Cousins. He did not go. They had him in top loader, so we set him up in this nice one touch there to maybe next show see if he'll go. Had a few other trades. Traded for this Micah Parsons. I don't quite remember what I traded for. I think I traded my graded Brock Purdy, just base. It was an 8, and maybe gave the guy $10 for this Micah Parsons Red Ice PSA 9. I'm a Cowboys collector, so it was a nice looking card, and so we got it. So I'll stay in the PC. So let's get back to this. 5 cards. Hopefully we can find a 1/1 or something good in here. As all the products this year, there is no autos of Bryce Young or CJ Stroud in here. A little nervous about this. Kind of an expensive box for 5 cards. Like a little over $30 a card is what it averages out to. And I don't know if they're worth it this year. They look like, I believe, the Elements used to look. So too late now. We've cut into it. And let's see how we do. So just the one pack. Plates and patches. It'll be a short and sweet video. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel so I keep growing and keep ripping more packs for you. Comment if you guys have gotten these plates and patches. I was excited for it, so I kind of saw people opening it, and it wasn't as excited, but you never know. Just takes one card to make it worth it. So here's a little shimmer of Roquan Smith, linebacker. I'll just set those back there and hide them there. So here's a look at the base. Cool looking cards. This one's not numbered. Might as well throw a sleeve on everything for the price of these. So nice looking cards. Like the look of that base. And we'll pull from the back. And here's a nice card. Here we go. A 12/25. Joe Montana. Very nice card. Prefer to be hitting some nice rookies out of those, but I'm not going to complain about a nice 25 there. Number 12/25. A few more numbers up would have been nice to hit that 16. Very cool card. All right, and we have a full coverage rookie patch out of 59. Just a big orange patch, not anything to write home about, I don't think. Of Marvin Mims, rookie card. Cool looking card. I think he could have done a little more than just plain orange, obviously. Not from any game or event, like most of the new stuff. Very rarely. Kind of a, I don't know, basic card, just an orange patch. What about I've seen some extra color on there. All right, and we have our auto here is Marquis Marks for the Plexico Burris with Marquis Marks. Don't know how I feel about that one either. I mean, definitely a great receiver, especially if you're a Giants fan. That's a good looking card. And that one is numbered out of 75. 42 of 75. Cool auto. Not really who you're looking for out of those. Alright, and we have our final card will be, yikes, a Michael Wilson. I can't say I'm even familiar with who that is. 49 out of 50 for the Cardinals, who I can say they aren't doing very good this year. So wide receiver for the Cardinals. I'd say Burris is probably better than that unless he happens to do a little better in the future. So that's it. 5 cards. Kind of what I expected. I mean, the Burris is kind of a cool auto. Kind of excited for that one. Very cool card. Nothing really low numbered. Kind of disappointing besides that base. Joe Montana. 259 Marvin Mims. Sweet, cool orange napkin. Could we got anywhere? 12 of 25 Joe Montana, and then it's a base Roquan Smith. So that'll do it for this video. If any of you guys hit anything great, put it in the comments. I like to hear what everybody else does, you know, where the big hits are. Nothing too great on this rip, but there will be plenty more in the future here. Got a lot of products coming in and looking forward to those. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, if you're going to be opening any of these plates and patches, or maybe waiting just for the Mosaic hobby boxes, which I think are going to be probably $400 as well, which is kind of crazy. So that'll do it for this one, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.